teachers. If you'd like to recreate today's lab with your students, these are the materials that you'll need. First of all, you want to have the flower rub lab sheet, one for each student. Then you'll need some red flowers and some purple flowers. Now I've chosen roses and carnations. We'll see how those work. Then you'll need some chemicals from your kitchen. Today I've chosen some white vinegar, some baking soda, which I've mixed with a little bit of water in that container. This is some lemon juice. You can use a real lemon or some lemon juice. This is some liquid dish soap, and this is some glass cleaner. And I've just put a little in each of these containers. You'll also need a few of these cotton swabs. We'll take the red rose and just rub it in each of the cells of the column that says red flower. And one petal might be enough, but if you need to get another one, you can do that. Now I'll do the same with the purple carnation. Now to do the lab, you'll simply dip your cotton swab into one of the solutions, such as this vinegar, and you'll put a drop there on the red flower and also on the purple flower. And you'll notice that that changes color. You can put on more if you want to, but you'll notice you get a different color. Now I'll do the same with the baking soda and water on the next line. That turned kind of pinkish, that turned kind of bluish. Let's try the lemon juice and see what it does. There's my lemon, and again we get that pink color. The dish soap doesn't turn much of a color. There's a very slight bluish tint to it, but not much at all. And lastly, I'll use my window cleaner. Now I've chosen this because it has ammonia in it, which is what it says here. You can use pure ammonia, but be careful because it can be harmful. And there's that bright blue, almost a green color over there. So what we found is that some of these changed to pinkish color and others changed a bluish color. Well, it turns out the vinegar and the lemon that changed to pink are acids, and we should write acid in these two blanks. The baking soda, the soap, and the ammonia are the opposites. Those are called bases. So we can write base on baking soda, on soap, and on ammonia. Notice that we got the strongest color change among the bases with the ammonia because it's a very strong base. Soap had the least color change among the bases because it's a weak base. The vinegar and lemon juice changed about the same amount, and they're about equal as far as their acidic levels go. And you can try other chemicals if you want. There are many stronger acids and bases you can use, and there are some weaker ones. But these are called indicator solutions. The red pigment in the rose and the purple pigment in the carnation are indicators, and they change colors when they encounter acids and bases. Now, what are acids and bases? Well, you've probably heard of acids before, but you might not have heard of bases. You also know that when you mix things like vinegar and baking soda together, they react. And that's because acids and bases do react with one another. They form a gas. They will bubble up. And it can get quite messy. And the gas that forms in there, we've learned from our other experiments, is carbon dioxide. Lemon juice is an acid and it will also react in the same way with baking soda or any of the other bases. So have fun doing that experiment yourself in your classroom.